Yo, what's good, y'all? It's Latrell, and today I got the Galaxy Buds Plus in the building. We're about to go and check these things out, go and unbox them, first impressions, all that stuff, because I just got it in the mail, and FedEx actually delayed my package because it was supposed to get here Saturday, but today's Monday, so same thing with the case. That got delayed too, which is annoying, but it is what it is. So we got these, we got the original Galaxy Buds, and then we got the Gear IconX. So we're about to go and see which ones is better, and yeah, let's get into it. Alright, y'all, see, yeah, like I was saying, I just got these things in the mail today. I ordered them on Friday, the weekend, and then I got them on Monday. So they told me I was gonna get it Saturday, but that never happened. I just got it on Monday anyway, even though I paid for the 1-day shipping. But you know what? It is what it is. I got scammed, but it's all good. It's just 14 bucks. So we gotta go and see what the plus means on these Galaxy Buds Plus, because just by the name alone and the pricing, I'm kind of feeling like it ain't really gonna be nothing, but I don't know. We gotta see. I mean, I can't really judge right now. I ain't even got into the box yet. Alright, so let's go ahead and talk about some of the differences on these things. So the first difference is the prices. So the original Galaxy Buds gonna run you 130 bucks. The Galaxy Buds Plus gonna run you 150 bucks. And the Gear IconX that's gonna run you 200 bucks. So the Gear IconX 2018s are gonna be the oldest ones because they came out in 2017. Yeah, I know it's confusing, but they're the most expensive ones. And then these came out in 2019, and these are the 2020s. The next difference is that the Galaxy Buds Plus are supposed to have double the battery life than the original Galaxy Buds, so we're gonna have to go ahead and check that out. Another difference is the fast charging these things. So the original Galaxy Buds, you charge these things for 15 minutes and you get 1.5 hours of playtime. And with the Galaxy Buds Plus, you charge these things for 3 minutes and then you get an hour of playtime. The next difference is with the new Galaxy Buds Plus, we actually get 2 speakers in this thing versus 1 in the original Galaxy Buds. So basically, what that means is that we're supposed to get louder sound with more bass and all that, but I'm gonna go and put that to the test, and basically more dynamic range, so we'll see about all that. Last thing is that this thing got more mics, so I heard the call quality is way better on the Galaxy Buds Plus, but again, I'm gonna have to go and see about that, so we gotta get to the box first. And I'm not really comparing the Gear IconX that much because I'm just only gonna see about the sound quality, and that's pretty much it. Alright, so let's go and get to the box here. So we got the Galaxy Buds Plus in this colorful design again. We got the Samsung logo, and I got the blue Galaxy Buds. So I got the blue tab at 6.2, so we're gonna go ahead and see how they look side by side. But on the left side, we got the Galaxy Buds Plus. On the back, we got some specs like 11 hours of playtime, 2-way speakers for rich sound, triple mics for clear call quality, and Qi wireless charging, just like before. So let's go ahead and pop into this box right here, and let's go ahead and cut these 2 pieces of tape, and here we go. So I'm kind of pumped about these, and here's our blue Galaxy Buds Plus. It's a lighter blue than I thought it would be, but wow, just already, it's just like a way shinier design than last time. Like, just look at these versus the original Galaxy Buds. Like, the original Galaxy Buds got like a matte finish, and this just got a glossy finish to like stand out more, I guess. On the front, we still got the same light indicator, and on the bottom, they're basically the same. So yeah, they ain't really changed that much, just even the size look exactly the same. But yeah, let's go ahead and get to the rest of the box real quick. So there's none under here. Let's go and look into this tiny little box real quick. So in here, we actually get our USB-A to USB-C charger, and then we just get some ear wings and some extra ear tips in here. So yeah, that's pretty much all you get inside the box. And with the Gear IconX, it's a way bigger box. Like, we get more in here, I think, though. Alright, so let me go ahead and grab my little Galaxy Fold real quick, and we're about to go ahead and check these things out. So basically, we should just go ahead and open these things up, and then we should get them to pop up here at the bottom. So there we go, we got the new Galaxy Buds Plus, and man, that animation though, that's looking a lot like the AirPods animations. I'm not gonna lie, just as a Samsung fanboy, I'm just saying it how it is. So you know what, I'm not really gonna get into that too much because it do look nice though. And even matches the colors of my Galaxy Buds Plus. I didn't see it pop up on my tab at 6 yet. I don't really know why, but I'm gonna just go and pair it first. So we got the Galaxy Buds Plus. Let's go and tap on that, and I think it's about to go ahead and download some stuff, so you just got to go ahead and give this thing a minute. And there we go. So now it's popping up on my tab at 6 right there. We got the same animation over there. So congrats on your new Galaxy Buds Plus. I'm about to go ahead and just hit agree. It says stay in touch with your surroundings, so we got that same ambient sound, and even that I heard is better. So let's go and tap on next. Start Spotify from your earbuds, so you can just go ahead and tap and hold on to it if you don't use the volume ones, and you can just pull up Spotify. So there we go, It was that simple. Now it's already connected. So now basically with the new Galaxy Buds Plus, I can go ahead and see the battery percentages of the earbuds in the case. So before I just saw the battery percentages of the earbuds. So it looks like we got a new software update with these Galaxy Buds, and the app look a little bit different. So I'm gonna go ahead and connect the original Galaxy Buds to my Tab S6 real quick so we can do it side by side. So basically with the original Galaxy Buds, you don't really get an animation at all. It just shows this, and then you go ahead and tap on connect, and there we go. So now it's connected, and you see the battery percentages for each earbud. So that's what the side by side looks like. So with the Galaxy Buds Plus, you get the actual picture of the Galaxy Buds, and then with the Galaxy Buds Originals, you just get a little graphic picture. So the equalizer looks a little bit different too, and just some of the settings here. We got the new labs option here. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get into these first. So with these new Galaxy Buds Plus, when you're opening and closing them, they just feel like way different. So now, like when I go ahead and put it like in this position, it doesn't like flap all over the place like the original Galaxy Buds do. So I can go ahead and do that right now. But with the original Galaxy Buds, they like lock into place. And with these new Galaxy Buds Plus, it don't really do that. It just got this, it got a weird feeling to it. That's all I can say really. I don't really know if I'm feeling this that much, but if I go and close them, yeah, it's a little bit more satisfying when you close it. So yeah, this is more satisfying. And just the feeling of the new Galaxy Buds, I don't know, they just feel softer or something. I guess that's a word for it. I know they got this new glossy look to it, and it might get more fingerprints now, but it just feels softer. The old Galaxy Buds just feel harder, and the new Galaxy Buds just feel kind of soft. Like, it's a weird feeling to me. But let's go ahead and open these things up when it's already connected to the phone. And that's the animation you're gonna get right there. So we got the battery percentages in the case again. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So taking these things out and looking at the original Galaxy Buds, well, I mean, they seem exactly the same size. Like, I don't really see a difference right there. We still got the same charging connectors, the microphone and the proximity sensor, even the earbuds themselves look the same. On the front, they look the same, even though I got a different color. We got that microphone right there. And yeah, just for the Galaxy Buds themselves, like, they don't really seem much different. Now I want to go and try something real quick. So can you charge the new Galaxy Buds in the old Galaxy Buds case? Yeah, I mean, it looks like it's charging, so I guess you can. But look at side by side in the case, you can actually see that the left and the right's different. So from what I heard, when you go ahead and press onto the left or the right, it'll go ahead and actually give you a charging status with this light right here. But I can't really say nothing about that right now because it's not really doing nothing. But I'll go and check that out in the future. But alright, let's get into the app real quick. So first off, we got the Galaxy Buds Plus logo here at the top. We got the actual earbuds in the case right here with the battery percentages. We got this notification telling us to update our Galaxy Buds, and then we got our first option here, which is the Ambient Sound. So I already told y'all what that is. Basically what Ambient Sound is that option that gives you the option to listen to what's around you without taking out your earbuds. So I can go and turn that on here. Automatically it's going to be on low, so I can go and switch that to medium, or I can switch it to high. So we finna have to see if that's better than the original Galaxy Buds, because if I'm being honest with you, the original Galaxy Buds Ambient Sound wasn't even really that good. Like, it had a delay with it and all that. I think I said that in the unboxing too, so yeah, I wasn't really feeling that. And then we got the equalizer here. So with the equalizer, that looks different like I said already, but we got the normal option here. We can switch it to bass boost. We got soft. We got dynamic, which I keep my Galaxy Buds on. We got clear, and then we got treble boost. And then we got some other options here, like we can go to our notifications. So basically with the notifications, the Galaxy Buds just read you out loud your notifications. Now, I keep that off because I don't really like that. I got a Galaxy Watch, and it got that old voice to it, so it's just that robotic voice that just annoys me every time there's a notification, so I keep that off. But if you want to go and turn it on, you can go ahead and do that, and then tap on apps to get notifications from. Go and tap on most recent, tap on all, and then just choose what you want. But for me, like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and keep that off. So let's go ahead and look at the other options here. So we got touchpad. So let's go and tap on that, and that's just how you go ahead and customize your touchpad. So we can go and lock it if you want to. And then we got the touch and hold options. So we got left is voice command by default, and the right is Spotify, but I'm gonna go and change that to the volumes because I just like that better. So the left side is gonna be volume down and the right side is gonna be volume up, just like the original Galaxy Buds. And going back here, we got our ambient sound, so I'm gonna go and tap on that. So we got one option in here, and that's to use the ambient sound during calls, so hear your own voice more clearly while you're on the phone. So that sounds cool. I'm gonna go and turn that on. I'll go ahead and see about that. Next option is find my earbuds. So that's on the original Galaxy Buds too. So basically, as long as the case is open and they're connected to the phone, you can go and find your Galaxy Buds. So you tap on start, and then they make this loud sound. So if you put in your ears, it's not gonna go ahead and turn on, but just don't even try it, man. We can go ahead and update our Galaxy Buds, and we got to update right now, but I'm not gonna go and do that right now. I'll go and do it later. I don't think that update's gonna improve the sound quality or nothing like that, so I'm not gonna worry about that right now. It's gonna take a while too. We got a tips and user manual, so basically you could just learn more about your Galaxy Buds. We got labs here, which is a new one, and we only got one option here, so that's gaming mode, and that says minimize audio delay for vivid synchronized gaming sound. So basically, we shouldn't have any gaming delay when we're listening with the Galaxy Buds, so that sounds pretty dope. I'm gonna go and get into that later though. I'm not gonna get into that right now. Maybe in the review. And then we got our about earbuds. So we got my Galaxy Buds Plus. I got my serial number. I got my model number, the legal info, the software information, and the battery information. So you can see right there for each Galaxy Bud, it has 85 milliamp hours. And then with the actual case, it has 270 milliamp hours. So yeah, y'all, that was pretty much the app right there. So now all we gotta do is just get into Spotify real quick. So if y'all know me, y'all know I love my rap music. Like that's pretty much the only genre I listen to besides like oldies and all that. So I got my whole playlist here on Spotify called Jennings Stamp for Approval. If you want to go and follow it, you can. We got 44 followers so far. But I'm gonna go and listen to some music right here. So I think I'm about to go ahead and listen to some G Herbo real quick. So I'm gonna go and listen to some of the rap music on here. I'm gonna go and take a call and use the ambient sound and all that. And then I'll get back to y'all. Alright y'all, so we back, but we're gonna go and wrap this up real quick because I gotta go and get out of here. But if I'm being honest with y'all, the new Galaxy Buds Plus in terms of sound quality, they don't really sound that much different from the Galaxy Buds. Like they do sound louder, but in terms of the bass and the dynamic range and all that, I don't really see a difference. And even the bass itself, like if I'm being real honest with y'all, it sounds kind of worse than the Galaxy Buds. Now I did say the same thing about the original Galaxy Buds with the Gear IconX about like how I didn't really like the sound quality compared to the Gear IconX, but I think I broke into it some more and then, yeah, no, I broke into it some more and then they just sounded better. So I think that's what I gotta do with the Galaxy Buds Plus, just break into them some more and then maybe I'll like them better than this and the Gear IconX. Now I still think that the Gear IconX sounds a little bit better than the original Galaxy Buds, but hopefully these new Galaxy Buds Plus gonna beat the Gear IconX. Next up, Ambient Sound. Alright, basically when it comes to these two right here, they have no competition with these new Galaxy Buds Plus. Alright, they're just like that much better. Because when you're listening with these two right here, they just got that real digital sound to them and that delay on there. Man, that delay, I don't like it. It's not like it has a big amount of delay, but it's just enough where it just bothers me to the point where I never use them out here. So now that they fix them with the new Galaxy Buds Plus, it sounds so much better. So I'm most definitely gonna be using them out here. And yeah, these most definitely the champs now. Now let's go ahead and grab our little iPhone real quick, and we're about to go ahead and just connect these up to the Galaxy Buds Plus app. So I tried these with the old Galaxy Buds and basically they just won't connect to the app. But basically with the Galaxy Buds Plus, all you gotta do is just hold out to both of the sides for a little bit until you start hearing the sound. And then you just go to the app, start the journey, Galaxy Buds Plus, and then we should see it pop up here in a minute. Okay, it's not working right now. I don't know why, but I'm gonna go and go to the Bluetooth settings and then go and connect them real quick. Maybe that'll fix it. So now they're connected. Let's go to the app, scan for nearby devices, and still not showing nothing yet. Alright, I don't know what's up with this, but the app just don't want to work right now. So let's go back into the app again. Let's see if this thing works, man. Come on, man, stop trolling me on camera. Nothing never want to work when I'm on camera. Come on now. Yeah, I just don't want to connect. So I can't really do this right now because like I said, I got to go and get out of here. But right now, it just don't want to connect to the app. I did see bad reviews in the app stores, so maybe that's got something to do with it. It just don't want to connect. I don't know why. Now, in terms of call quality, I got some good news for y'all. So I was just talking to my neighbor, and basically what she said from her own words was, that was the best that she ever heard from me on the phone. So yeah, right there, major plus with the new Galaxy Buds Plus. Now, with the original Galaxy Buds, people say they don't really have no problem with me on the phone. So I don't know if it's just some Galaxy Buds have that problem, some don't, and mine just don't. I don't really know, but I don't got that problem with my original Galaxy Buds. Like, the new Galaxy Buds Plus though do sound better. So yeah, y'all, take what she said how it is, and that's pretty much all I got for y'all today. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, go and give this video a like, and if you really liked it, go subscribe. But that's pretty much all I got for y'all today. What else do y'all want to see on the Galaxy Buds Plus? Let me know in the comments below. But thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. I'll keep messing with this app to see if it works or not. But yeah, peace out.